Hi, this is Attorney Mike Gravel coming to you from Chicago, as usual, and today I've got a fun little one from Judge Middleton's courtroom. It contains one of my all-time favorite phrases from him.
Stop driving.
And a pro se who's doing a horrible job of representing herself in some traffic matters. Let's do it.
People versus Ari Richmond. The file number is 20263ST. This case is so old it was charged by Assistant Prosecutor Lindsay Schaller when she was here before she went to the Kalamazoo County Prosecutor's Office. This case is full of problems. Miss Richmond was given the ticket and a notice to appear for February the 18th. She did not appear on February the 18th. Then
of this year?
No, 2020. Then I think she called and we reset it.
I mean, that's minor, but it's just funny. She just blurts out, it's not her turn to speak or whatever, and he just lets it go over and answers her question.
For March 18th, and it got adjourned, and then there was a bench warrant. She had a pretrial on August 10th, and she failed to appear. And then we had an order to show cause on September 9th, and she failed to appear. And there was a bench warrant, and this is all back in 21. Then she got arrested March 22nd on that old warrant, or April 6th, and then the matter was continued for April 20th, and she didn't show up on April 20th. So Judge Patterson was not very happy. Then she called and said her paperwork says 4/28, but we don't have anything that says 4/28. And they told her to be here today, 4/27. So this is a driving suspended charge from 2020, and you have continually failed to appear on about 4 or 5 different occasions. You've also got $310 worth of other unpaid tickets on a driving with an expired license and a misdemeanor plate violation. That's part of your problem. The other problem is you never show up when you're supposed to. So this is charged as a driving suspended. So let's take a look at it. You're here now.
She also has out of Kalamazoo a suspension that's completed, but she'll need to pay a reinstatement fee with the court there, along with the 2 tickets here to get unsuspended. And she has she had a temporary instructional permit on 2 of those tickets from Centerville, St. Joe County. I think it expired from the one she had. No, she had a temporary for all 3 of those tickets at the time.
All right, well, let's take a look. I
Don't worry about it. She's got an explanation for all of it.
think, Miss Richmond, you could probably use a pretrial. How come you just quit showing up for everything?
Okay, so I always show up to court. So this is like so new to me because I do not play with the court system because I do not want to go to jail. So I do not play with you guys about that. So it must have been a mixed communication with I didn't get you guys' dates in or something like that because I remember exactly when I have court and I go to my court dates. And if it's in person, I will show up in person with you.
Translation, it's not me, it's you.
No problem. So it must have been a miscommunication. I did move from Klinger Lane.
You missed like 5 dates. Now,
I did.
Are you on Main Street now?
Yes, that's all I was saying. Like I did just move from off Klinger Lake in Sturgis all the way to 3 Rivers on Main Street in November. So I mean, I may not have gotten the mail or anything like that because I don't know. I mean, I was living on 1202 3rd Street between the time leaving from Klinger to here.
There's some mails that came back, but some of these were in court. The judge told you to be here on a different day. Judge Patterson, I think, issued the warrant, but then you didn't show up. I didn't do a warrant. I did a show cause. You didn't show up. I did another show cause. You didn't show up.
Translation, it's not us, it's you. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe. Don't make Oscar beg. It's rude.
But you're here now, but this is complicated. Have you done anything to
Yes.
try to get your license squared away?
I mean, I did have them payments back in, I believe, 2020, and it was for Kalamazoo, because I never knew about anything from here in St. Joseph. But I haven't went to go get my license or anything like that. I don't drive anymore. And I mean, the only reason why I was driving the other day was to go help.
Don't tell me anything about that.
Oh, it's good on so many levels. I don't drive anymore except the other day. So, you know, I don't drive anymore unless I do. Then she proceeds to start talking about basically admitting the elements of the offense. Yes, it's small stakes, minor stuff, but the judge is even protecting you from that. Look, you're not represented. Stop talking.
But this was way back in January of 2020. When you got stopped in April, were you driving again?
I was driving. But I don't drive. I mean, that was just the one time my grandma needed help.
So did you
That was just the one time, and the other time that I got caught for that we're discussing here in open court.
get a new ticket on April 6th?
I didn't get pulled over April 6th.
Well, let's see, the day you posted that bond, somebody posted it for you.
No, I went to jail March I want to say the 28th. Oh, the 30th actually, yes. And I bonded out, and I haven't got a ticket. No, I haven't.
There was a ticket issued on, well, it says it was January 26, 2020. There was a ticket. Now, I don't know whether they actually gave it to her from their system. They write a ticket and then do a complaint.
She did, but when she got, for failure to appear, Judge Patterson issued a bench warrant, set bond at $400. She got stopped while driving on March 30th of this year, 2022, and they took her to jail on the warrant, but I can't see that they've issued her another ticket.
Oh, yeah, okay, I see what you're saying now. I don't have that information here.
But this is a county case. Mitch Richmond, I'm going to indicate you're pleading not guilty. I'm going to set a pretrial with the prosecutor for 2 weeks from today, which would be May 10th. It'll be warm by then, at 8:30. Now, couple pieces of advice. Contact Kalamazoo about clearing things up there.
What is there that I need to clean up?
According to Ms. Jackson, you've got an unpaid ticket from Kalamazoo County.
It's not an unpaid ticket. She had a ticket and it suspended her for a period of time. She was suspended from February 9, 2020 until May 8th of 20. But it says license not valid until reinstatement fee. So she needs to pay that court reinstatement. It's not from the Secretary of State, at least as I understand.
So there may be a reinstatement fee to Kalamazoo. You've also got $310 worth of unpaid tickets from here, which is also jamming you up.
Yeah, I never knew about the payment on those. I would have got that complete. I mean, I don't want to drive.
Driving with an expired license and a misdemeanor plate violation. I'm not exactly clear what those are about. Anyway, I want you to at least look into both of those, and and then come back with whatever information you have. We'll send that information to the 54 North Main address. Is that above one of the stores?
I mean, there's nothing under us, but it's like right next to, it's like a dog town. It's like the same little, it's like a dog town right up under us.
Okay. All right, let's see what you can accomplish. Maybe the prosecutor can work something out. If it can't be worked out, we can get an attorney to help you. Now, 2 pieces of advice. Stop driving and don't miss any more court hearings. So this one is May 10th at 8:30. It will be by Zoom once again. We'll give you that information. All right, I'll see you probably on May the 10th. Hopefully something can be worked out.
No, you will see me. I will be here. I don't dodge court.
And if you can't connect, just come to the courthouse and we'll deal with you there.
Yes, okay.
All right, thanks.
Thank you.
Well, there you have it. Always fun in Judge Middleton's courtroom, and we got the classic stop driving. It's one of my favorites. It's totally understandable too, given what he deals with in this courtroom every day. Here at Law Talk, we like to have fun with silly stuff that happens in court, and every once in a while, and completely by accident, I assure you, you might learn something. Thanks for watching.